Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Construct a quadrilateral LIFT lift in which LI 4 cm, IF 3 cm, TL 2.5 cm, LF 4.5 cm, IT 4.5 cm. Lift. Rough sketch. Lift. That is your quadrilateral. This is your quadrilateral. LIFT. And you have to draw, and you have to require LI, IF, LF या IT, LI, this is your LF and this is your IT. Your LI is given. LI is 4 cm given. It is your 4 cm. And IF is 3 cm. 3 cm is given. Next is your TL. That is TL is 2.5 cm. LF 4.5 cm. LF 4.5 cm. And IT is 4 cm. You have to use these concepts and you have to draw the construction. First of all, we will take LI. Draw a line segment LI 4 cm by using scale. LI 4 cm. Have you drawn or not? LI.
Yes.
Rishu, have you drawn or not?
Yes.
Ansika Patel, where are you? Ansika Patel, where are you? Your camera has been switched off. Have you drawn the line segment? LI 4 cm.
Yes, sir. Draw.
LI 4 cm. Have you drawn, Rishu? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Have you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Now you have to require LF and IF. LF is 4 cm. LF is 4 cm. Taking L as center, open the compass as a radius of 4 cm. Open the compass of radius 4 cm. 4 cm. Have you opened the compass of radius 4 cm? Draw an arc. Have you drawn? Have you drawn or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, taking I as center, open the compass of radius 3 centimeter. Open the compass as a radius of 3 centimeter. Draw an arc which intersects the previous arc at F. At F. At F. It is your F point. F point. Any doubt? Any problems? Yes. Okay, very good. Join LF and IF. Join LF and IF. Join it. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Now what? Now which step will you take? Please tell me. आप क्या step करेंगे अब? Which step will you do? Yes. Yes. Okay. Listen to me. Wait. Taking L as center, open the compass of radius 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. Open the compass of radius 2.5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Taking L as center, put your tip of compass at L. Open the compass of radius 2.5 centimeter. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Taking I as center. Taking I as center. Open the compass of radius 4 centimeter. Draw an arc. That is your T. That is your T. Any doubt? Any problems? That is 4 centimeter. That is your 4.5 centimeter. And this is your 3 centimeter. Yes, students.
Sir, can I explain it once again?
Okay, wait. Listen to me carefully. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Listen. Keep quiet and listen to me. Taking L as center. L as center means put the tip of compass at point L. Open the compass of radius 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 सेंटीमीटर का कंपास ओपन कीजिए. किया आपने कंपास 2.5 सेंटीमीटर ओपन किया. यस. ड्रॉ एन आर्क. आपने आर्क ड्रॉ कर दी. यस. नाउ टेकिंग आई एज सेंटर. अपने क्या है कंपास की टिप को आई पे रखिए. टेकिंग आई एज सेंटर, ओपन द कंपास एज रेडियस 4.4 सेंटीमीटर. ओपन द कंपास एज रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर. 4 सेंटीमीटर. ड्रॉ एन आर्क. You will obtain a point which intersects the previous arc at point T. You will obtain a point T. joint LT, joint IT. Your LT is 2.5 centimeter. Your IT is 4 centimeter. Have you any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
सभी को समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
किसी को कोई डाउट है पूछ सकते हैं.
No, sir.
संस्कृति, गर्विका, साकेत सिंह, क्षितिज, any doubt, any problem? सबरित, स्नेहल, रुचि यादव, पूनम, ओम सिंह, खुशी कुमारी, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No problems. Now,
Can you show this?
एक सेकंड, 1 second. सुमित 1 second. Now join TF. Now join TF. It is the required quadrilateral lift LIFT. Yes. If you have completed, please show me. Show me your pic. Mahima. Yes, very good, Mahima. Very good.
Sir, can you
Angel, very good. Angel, very good. Very good, Angel. Aditi, very good. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Garvika, very good. Very good. Sumit Singh, very good. Excellent. Varsa, yes, very good. Risu, arc. You have to draw the line with the help of free hand. Use the scale. आप स्केल यूज कीजिए रिशु.
Okay.
आपने स्केल यूज नहीं किया क्या?
No, sir.
Why? You are drawing with the help of hand. Use geometry box to draw the construction. Varsa Yadav, very good. Use geometry box to draw the construction. Don't draw free hand. Risu, use geometry box. Sanskriti, very good. Very good. Jia Singh, very good. Khushi Kumari, very good. Yes. Poonam. Yes, Poonam. Your pic is not clear. Ruchi Yadav. Yes, very good, Ruchi Yadav. Jia Singh, due to network issue, I am unable to watch your pics. Divya Deepak Patil. Yes, very good. Snehal, very good. Yes. Try to make another student also. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. Please try to make it. Risu, your figure just wrong. You have to, ये जो इस साइड वाला पोर्शन थोड़ा सा नीचे आएगा. गलत है आपका फिगर, थोड़ा ठीक कीजिए इसको. Just take the measurement correct. Risu, take the measurement correct. आप जो मेजरमेंट ले रहे हो उसको करेक्ट कीजिए आपको. Yeah, Jia Singh, you are right. Chetna, yes, please join the upper lines. Chetna, join the upper lines. Yes, join the TF. Chetna, join the TF. Okay, have you completed? All the students, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what will be the next? इसके बाद क्या करते हो आप? बताइए.
Steps of construction.
Yes, write the steps of construction.
Steps.
Write the steps of construction. First, In first step, what will you do?
So draw a line of 4 centimeters.
Steps of construction.
And line of 4 centimeters.
Yes. Draw a line segment.
Also, a line of 4 centimeters.
Draw a line segment LI 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Yes. Taking L as center. Taking L as center. L as a center. Center. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Draw an arc of radius. How much radius?
4.5.
Yes, 4.5 centimeter.
Say 4.5.
Yes. Radius 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now taking I as center. In third step, taking I as center. I as a center. Taking I as a center. Draw an arc. Draw an arc of radius
3 centimeters.
3 centimeter. Yes. Which intersect the previous arc. Which intersect the previous arc at point
F.
F. At point F. At point F. Yes. Now join LF and IF. In fourth step, join LF and IF. Fifth point. Fifth point. Taking L as center. Taking L as a center. Taking L as a center. Taking L as a center, draw an arc of radius 2.5 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. Centimeter. Now taking I as center, draw an arc of 4 centimeter. Taking I as a center, draw an arc of radius
2 centimeters.
4 centimeter of radius 4 centimeter which intersect the previous arc at point D, which intersect the previous arc at point T. Join LT, IF and TF. LT, IT, FT, है ना? Join LT, IT and FT. So LIFT is the required quadrilateral. So LIFT is the required quadrilateral. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, do it fast.
Yes, sir, completed.
Yes, very good. Do it. Okay, very good. Have you done? Any problem? Any doubt up to here? Yes. Now your DE is 6.3. DE कितना आपके पास 6.3 है. 6.3 divided by 2. How much? 3.15. 3.15 centimeter. 6.5. Okay, wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 6.5. centimeter. Any doubt? Any problems? अब आपने क्या करना है, इसको O पॉइंट लेंगे. क्या लेंगे? O पॉइंट, सेंटर को. You put the tip of compass at point O. O पॉइंट पे क्या है, अपने कंपास को रखा आपने. Open the compass of radius 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter का कंपास ओपन कीजिए. 3.5 सेंटीमीटर का कंपास ओपन कीजिए और यहाँ पे आगे बढ़िए. Have you done? This is your point B. That is 3.25. ये 3.25 है. 3.25. सेम इतना ही क्या है, आपने कंपास को ओपन रखना है, O पॉइंट पे रखना है. ड्रॉ द आर्क बिलो. यहाँ पे नीचे आर्क लगाना है. सेम ये भी 3.5 सेंटीमीटर है. क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? आपने क्या करना है? लिसन पिन ऑफ साइलेंस. लिसन टू मी, पिन ऑफ साइलेंस. Put the tip of compass at point O. O पे रखिए. 3.25 सेंटीमीटर का कंपास ओपन करो. Open the compass 3.25. 3.25. 3 और 4 के बीच में 3.5 है, देखो ध्यान से, 3 और 4 के बीच में 3.5 है और 3.5 से जस्ट कम, 3.5 से जस्ट बिल्कुल क्या है उसका थोड़ा सा कम 3.25 है, देखो ध्यान से 3.25। Do you know how to measure the scale? 3.25. Open the compass as a radius of 3.25. Have you done? 3.25. Listen. देखिए यहाँ पे आपका स्केल है, यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या है, ये 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है और यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या है 4, ऐसे ही है। अब देखिए 3 और 4 के बीच में डार्क लाइन होगी, ऐसे है डार्क लाइन, ये 3.5 है, ये 3.5 है और 3.5 के बिल्कुल बीच में यहाँ पे ये जो है वो कितना है 3.25। अब समझ में आया? Any doubt, any problems? Any doubt, any problems? Open the compass as a radius of 3.25. अब यहाँ पे 3.25 सेंटीमीटर का आपने क्या करना है, कंपास ओपन करना है, ओ पॉइंट पे रखना है, इस परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर को आपने ऊपर 3.25 सेंटीमीटर कट करना है एंड बिलो 3.25 सेंटीमीटर कट करना है। आपने किया? Have you opened the compass as a radius of 3.2 centimeter and intersect the perpendicular bisector above BN as well as below BN? Have you done or not?
Yes, sir.
Have you done? किसी स्टूडेंट को कोई डाउट या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है? If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. Poonam, any doubt? खुशी कुमारी, जियासी, स्नेहल, प्रभाकरण, चेतना, सबरे, वर्षा, सुमित सिंह, रिशु, have you done? Yeah. Now join DD, join. This is your D, this is your E. Now join DD, join BN, join BE, join EN. This is the required rhombus. This is the required rhombus. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now you can write the steps of construction. Can you write the steps of construction?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please try. Yes, okay. Please try to write the steps of construction. Tomorrow I will discuss the next exercise 4.3. First I will discuss your queries. If you will have no queries, I will start the exercise 4.3. Very good. Yes, Naveen, very good. Good response. खुशी कुमारी, वाह, very good.